Namaste. I am Dr. Jugal Patel, your dental implant specialist. As I speak to you today, this Diwali, as we are all celebrating this festival of lights, I am so happy and proud and grateful to announce that we have completed 11 successful years into clinical practice and will be stepping into the 12th year of practice. I can still remember way back when I was doing my PUC second year, I was a computer nerd. Computers was my passion. However, as destiny has it, I went into dentistry, completed my dental education, graduation, as well as the post graduation, and it was in the year of 2010, the 1st of November, that I started my practice, Dr. Patel's Dental Care. It was a basic setup, a single chair practice with an X-ray and all the basic stuff that we need to take care of the routine dental problems, fillings, extractions, dentures. I did not have any previous experience of how a private practice runs. So that was the reason that I went in for this basic setup. The setup was basic, however, the vision was very high. It was in the year 2011 that I introduced dental implants into my practice. With this, I was able to provide fixed teeth to my patients, and instantly I knew that this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Giving fixed teeth to my patients gave me a lot of satisfaction. Seeing them eat, smile with their fixed teeth was simply amazing. It was in the year 2012 that I met with Dr. Stephen Ide in a conference at Hyderabad, and he introduced me to corticobasal implantology, which provided me with a lot of answers. I was able to provide fixed teeth solutions to many of my patients to whom earlier I could not, and thus began my journey into the field of corticobasal implantology. I started helping patients in Hubli, around Hubli, and also as a consultant to many clinics across Karnataka. The zeal to learn never stopped. I completed the IF curriculum program in the year 2013 with Dr. Stephen Ide. I'm very fortunate enough to learn directly from him, and also with the able guidance of Dr. Vivek Gaur. I completed the Masters in Immediate Loading Implantology for the International Implant Foundation, and in the year 2018 I was nominated as the teacher for the International Implant Foundation training dentists. So as I ventured into this private practice, a lot of problems came, and I kept traveling, seeking out new mentors to find solutions to them. In 2014, I completed my program in full mouth rehabilitations, which allowed me to better my management of patients so that I can give them a better smile, a better teeth to eat, teeth which are comfortable to eat. In 2015, I completed my digital smile design program with Dr. Rajiv Verma and Dr. Christian Coachman. Very fortunate to have learnt this essential art of smile designing from both the masters. Once I had traveled enough, I knew that this is what I wanted. So in 2016, January 1st, I launched the Dental Implant Studio. This was a setup, a dream setup for me. This is where patients had utmost comfort, convenience, and safety, and the clinic was loaded with technology. In this clinic, we also launched the T-scan. In simpler terms, it's a bite scan, which helped me make sure that whatever teeth I'm giving to my patients are going to last really long, and also they are going to be very comfortable to eat. This was one of the game-changing technologies that we acquired. This not only helped people with false teeth, but it also helped people who are having a lot of chronic headaches, backaches, neck pains, all because of bad bite. Seeing the relief on the face of such patients was an immense satisfaction satisfactory journey for us. In 2020, we started with the dental and physiotherapy studio at the Airport Road, Akshay Park, Hubli. A better place, more convenience, more comfort. We added an in-house OPG X-ray machine. So this reduced the travel time to the scan centers. Our patients are simply loving it. In a single visit, everything gets done, including the diagnosis. They get the treatment plan and they are off, saving the travel hassles in this busy traffic of Hubli. However, this is not the end of the convenience. We have introduced a lot more technologies since then. Last year, November 1st, 2020, we stepped right into digital dentistry. We acquired the intraoral scanner. This allowed us to scan the teeth in real time. So no more nagging and nasty impressions, no more vomiting sensations, no more spoiling the faces. Our patients are loving it. This not only gives us a accurate picture of the teeth so that we can diagnose better, we can plan better. It also makes sure that the lab gets an undistorted data on which they can produce the teeth with the latest of the CAD/CAM technologies. So this ensures that the fit, finish and comfort is absolutely amazing. So as we progress through this year, as we enter the 12th year of our practice, I'm so happy and proud to announce the launch of Teeth in a Day service. Yes, you heard it right. It's Teeth in a Day. Whether you have got an implant, whether you have got a root canal, whether you want a smile, everything in just one day. We have acquired this fantastic technology through which we can scan, we can design and we can produce the teeth all in-house. So what this means to our patients is that we have complete control right from the scanning to the production, complete control over the design of the teeth as well. So this ensures less number of visits and a comfortable, beautiful smile. Not only this video what you are watching, we are going to make sure that every Thursday I'll be there with you, helping you out with your problems and giving you some useful information on dental implants. This will be every Thursday. So please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the like button so that you do not miss any of these important videos. If you feel that this has been helpful, so please do share it. Thank you and take care.